Hey everyone, it's Megan, and today I'm at Glass-wine.bar kitchen with Executive Chef Evan. So Chef Evan, what do you have for us today?
Today I'm going to show you how to prepare our house-made gnocchi dish. This is going to be featured on our new menu that'll come out late January, early February.
Okay.
I got the mise en place all set up here, and I'm going to walk you through how we prepare it and what you could expect to see.
All right, sounds good. Let's do it.
All right. So right back here, I'm going to get this pan going nice and low and slow, heating up the sauce while I show you how to prepare the sauté.
Okay.
So we'll kind of set that there and just forget about it for a moment. I'll grab a large sauté pan here, preferably one with a flat bottom. Some of them you get are a little bowl shaped, and it just makes the heat on the sauté a little uneven. So as this is getting hot, I'm going to drop some just regular canola vegetable frying oil in here. Go a little heavier on the oil because we're going to start with our mushrooms first, and they kind of soak up a lot of the oil there. We're also going to heavily season them because, you know, salt and pepper makes everything taste good. I have one more sauce here on the back that I'm going to get going low and slow, just like this one up front, so when we're done, everything's nice and hot. Our oil here is starting to shimmer. So we're just about ready to start here. I'm going to drop in, we have oyster mushrooms here. I've cleaned and prepared them. We'll get those in there. We have our mushrooms in here sauteing. I just heavily salted and peppered them so they have some of their own flavor other than what's going on in the dish there.
Okay.
Here I have zucchini and squash that has been pre-roasted. Drop that in there, let it saute up with all the mushrooms. Kind of start to combine those flavors together.
All right.
Make a little room here. So this is the house-made gnocchi. It's made from a dough called pot au choux, which is more commonly known to make desserts like eclairs and things like that.
Oh, okay.
So here I have a savory aspect of it, and I'm going to drop it in there. I cleared a spot, and I'm going to let it sit there and sear and kind of get a nice crisp and let the butter in there brown a little bit. All right, so now that we got a nice sear on our gnocchis here, I'm going to add in some butter, really up the richness there and kind of bring all those flavors together. And who doesn't love a lot of butter in their food, right?
It's true.
So let that melt. You'll see it starting to bubble here. It's going to act as another fat, obviously, and it's going to sear the outside even more. And while that's bubbling there, what I have here is just a touch of lemon juice. I'm just going to add, brings up the acidity, really brightens all the flavors, brings them to the front of your mouth there.
So Chef Evan, what else do we have going on at Glass?
Well, as you may or may not know, right now we are open 7 days a week. We
Okay.
still have our outdoor greenhouses. We added some igloos up on the deck to dine a la carte and still be enclosed and outside. We're back to 50% capacity inside, and our decks are open outside, so we're full bore here at Glass.
Yeah, that sounds great. A little bit of everything going on.
So here we are. We have our sauté ready. It's ready to be plated. My sauce here, like I said, sitting there getting nice and hot for us. Put a little dollop of this. This is a rosa sauce. It's made out of fondant tomatoes, and then you blend in some onions and butter that have been sweat down really nice and slow.
Wow.
Right here I have some really nicely seared gnocchis going to go down. Kind of trying to build it up in the center of the plate. Everything needs a little center point. It needs some height. Gently spoon that all on there like that. Let it fall all over the plate and fix it when you're done. Here I have an herb puree. Take this around the outside like this.
Wow.
Finish it off with a little olive oil to kind of bring that all together. Let it fall down the side of the bowl there. Top it with some fresh herbs. And hit it with grated cheese.
Wow. For everybody at home, you can see how beautiful it is, and it smells amazing, but I bet it tastes even better. Why don't we try it?
Let's dig in.
All right. That's amazing.
Delectable, really is.
Wow, I just want to eat that whole thing myself right now.
Wow.
Might have to fight you for it.
I think there's going to be a battle.
All right, well, we'll battle it out then.
Okay.
All right, thanks so much, Chef Evan. Really appreciate it.
No problem. Feeding's what we do here at Glass.
Yeah, now that we're open Monday and Tuesday, 7 days a week at
Yep.
Glass.
If you couldn't fit in your schedule before, now there's no excuse. Make your reservations.
Absolutely. We'll see you guys next time at Glass-Wine.bar.kitchen.